Hello, good morning. Good morning. I say we shall have a coffee. Hello, guys. Good morning. Serbia, good morning. Andrea, good morning. I from Middle East, good morning. Portugal, good morning. Neața la prânz. Good morning, Silvia. Hello from Bosnia, good morning. Kenya, good coffee there. Galați, Neața. Ethiopia, good morning, guys. We just, having a coffee together. Sandrine, good morning. Julian, Neața. Salutări din Vaslui. Good morning from Greece, Cluj, Croatia. Good morning, guys. Pasadena, Texas. Good morning. Netherlands. Coffee and vaping. Hello from Poland. Good morning. Let's just have a coffee. How is everyone? Sugar, I know I don't have sugar. I stopped drinking coffee with sugar. Slovakia, good morning. So, how is everyone? Yash, Bogdan, Nyatsa, Turkey, Greece, Morocco. Good morning, guys. So, how is everyone? Germany, good morning. South Africa, afternoon there. Austria, coffee and a proper cigarettes. Yeah, I had one before outside, but now it's no cigarettes here. Hi from Sweden. Good morning, UK. Good morning. Grab a coffee of tea. Yeah, a cup of tea. Yeah, tea is good. Yeah. Morning from Albania, Serbia again. So, what's new, guys? What everyone is doing? Nigeria, good morning. Good afternoon. Yeah. I said on some point. I think when I built the power supply because I remember that Nigeria was a lot of Nigerian people on Bootsel. Car Bootsel, where you can buy like what the people are saying selling from their house. Actually, you go there in the morning to find good stuff, and the only people being there, and I was afraid because if they got before me, they will buy everything. It was the Nigerian people. Yeah, very interested about the technology. Yeah, on the beginning I was making money just buying broken stuff from Bussel, fixing them and sell. On that point, I remember was like TVs, like Xbox, PlayStation consoles, PlayStation 3 and Xbox 360. Yeah. Mexico, good morning. Greece, Germany, good morning, guys. Filipinas. Salut, mulțumesc, Vasile. Denmark, good morning. Algeria, good morning. So, how is everyone? What you are fixing, guys? What everyone is doing? A Sunday. Russia, good morning. Greta Heisenberg. Heisenberg was German, right? Anthony Walker. Sometimes, yeah, when I have time. I'm building a tube guitar amplifier. You know, if you are building tube things, just build the entire line with tubes. Yeah, like preamp, whatever you use. I don't know, distortion amplifier or equalizer, and the final power amplifier. Same with tubes. When you have the whole line with tubes, then indeed sound is a little bit different compared with transistors. Apa yeah, I know that feeling. Switzerland, good morning. I think tubes should be a technology of the past. You have no idea how far you are from the truth. Yeah. Even now on RF, there is no transistor which can simulate a tube. Yeah. Doesn't exist. There are some transistors, there are amplifiers, solid state amplifiers, but are not that great, are very sensitive. No, don't say that. Don't say. You know how it is. You look, tubes and ICs, yeah, or transistors, is the same like comparing a linear power supply with a switching one. Switching power supply, light, cheap, but that doesn't mean is the best, yeah, or is better. Do you know what I mean? Same. They switched years ago from linear power supply and transformers. They switched to switching power supply, but that doesn't mean it's better. Yeah, it's cheaper. Yeah. What happened to your solar project? It's ended. I mean, the solar project is it's okay. I mean, everyone can do it. But first, this is not my house, and I cannot keep them like forever. And the second, I was doing that project. I was waiting 1 month to have like a full sunny day, and I didn't. And after 1 month, I said, okay, I cannot really take some results like how much power I get on a fully sunny day. And I stapled down and I sold whatever I had. Edgar, just watching the Frankenstein method repair video. Dodginess god level. You know what? That was something normal back in I don't know, like 20, 25 years ago, or something normal. But now it's dodgy. You know, same with the audio amplifier. So you people seen the audio amplifier. I mean, I'm trying to change myself to make people happy, and I fail every time. I didn't want to show in the video. Yeah, I didn't want to show in the video. Actually, okay, I did remove that resistor, the amplifier start, but you need one wire. Yeah, one wire you need. You see the coil on the board. You just jump with a wire from one coil to the other, and you have signal on all speakers output. But I didn't want to do it on a video because people will come and say, "Oh, so that's dodgy, that's cheating. Actually, you are cheating the customer. It's no stereo anymore." You know what? I said I'm not. I'm not doing anymore. From now on, I will not hide myself. Whatever I'm doing, I will show you, and that's all. I get bad comments, and that's the life. What can I do? But even if I didn't do it, the people still said, "Okay, Sony is dodgy. You left the customer." You know, I should show in a video how you can jump one channel to the other, and you have audio output on all the audio signal on all outputs. Obviously, no stereo anymore, but working. Actually, Olaf, the solar project, actually, that inverter was fantastic. I mean, with that inverter, using that inverter, you don't have to modify your house. You don't have to even let the electricity company know about your solar system because no power, it will goes onto the grid. You know what I mean? I explained on that video. That inverter was fantastic. I mean, don't get me wrong, very bad. I used that inverter till the point I start my ham radio. And ham radio, I could not even use it. So it was sending to the network so many interference, I could not use my radio. I think on that point I disconnect the inverter. But it was great. I mean, it's great on a normal case. You see this video without power from the grid? You are a lucky man then. Edgar, you know what? That's the problem. And I did write on a blog on my website. You have a customer and you give him to choose, yeah? So look, I can repair your phone with a brand new part, cost £10. Or I can use a used part, a second-hand part, but genuine, and you have to pay 15. It's weird to explain this to a customer. You know what I mean? So actually a genuine part, even if it's second-hand, is more expensive compared with a new one because the new one, it's a copy, is rubbish, you know. Good morning, guys. No repairs today? No, just having a coffee. That's all. Today, just having a coffee. It's Sunday. I mean, I do work Sunday, but I don't have that many jobs right now. Good morning from Canada. Good morning, guys. New Zealand? Are you happy with the new bench multimeter? It's working. I mean, I can't say I'm not happy, but it's not ideal. You know what I mean? Especially on the diode mode. On the diode mode, it's weird. I don't like the diode mode on this multimeter. But otherwise, it's working fine. I mean, voltage, resistance, it's okay. Morning from Italy. Good morning. Modbox from someone who does stuff, car amplifiers. You know what? I did love, you know, car amplifiers, speakers. I was doing this before, like installing amplifiers in cars. Good morning, guys. Good morning from the moon. Syria, good morning. So, what you guys are fixing? You have any problems? You are fixing something particular and you have any issue? I have a Dell Latitude. Can I press 60 watts? But I don't know. It is good for the laptop. Mohammed, you cannot trick the charging circuit. The charging current comes from the battery itself. Yeah. So if it's working, cannot be good or bad for the laptop. It's the same like the other battery. Fixing some industrial electronics. Okay, industrial electronic is nice. Ah, interessante, Amar. Interessante. A source alimentare. Xos, just you can practice a lot soldering. At some point, you can master the skill. John D, do you remember Bonzi Buddy? No. Who is it? Have you ever fixed K-fobs? A lot. TK. I fixed a lot. What do you mean? Car fobs. Most of the time you have water damage, or in the old ones you have broken coils. Arcade games on a mall. That's a nice job. You play all day long. Have you worked with BoreView file? Yes, why? Obviously, you have schematic and BoreView, especially for MacBooks. Laptop fix. Nu știu ce să zic. Ciudat. Simon S, you connect the power and start flashing. The power supply LED. You have on the check online on Google. You have a diagnostic codes for HP. Marius, mulțumesc. Thank you. I'm having a coffee as well. No, I'm not teaching anything, just sharing whatever I'm doing. I don't like Class D Madbox. I know it's okay, they're great, high power, less heat, but I don't really like them. No, I didn't, Edgar. I didn't repair. What can be there? You have a computer, you have a screen, you have a power supply, right? Sorry, no coffee here. It's 5 a.m. here. Crash Course Part 2. Let me get some time for that. I need some job and some time to prove the point. Dark Lion, what device it is? Frank, yes, sometimes I'm watching when I have time. Good morning. Can I inject voltage without a thermal camera? Russell, on my channel are like 700 videos, and 99% of these videos are made without a thermal camera. Yeah, I just bought a thermal camera probably like 1 month ago or 2 months ago, but till this point, I didn't use a thermal camera. Vision. I did explain the circuit protection on the last video when I fixed that audio amplifier. Tech Diblo from Nepal. Thank you. Hi from Iran. Good morning. Got thermal phone. I know it's a phone there with a thermal camera, but the camera is very bad. I mean the quality. You have 100 and something pixels. You guys from Brazil. Good morning. What is the most difficult job on a laptop motherboard you ever came across? Not sure. I believe that the hardest jobs are the one which I can't fix them. You know, you just keep replacing and replacing, and you never get that laptop back to work. Eduardo, greetings from Buenos Aires. Good morning. Boston, good morning. Have you fixed hard drives? Yeah, yeah, you can fix them. Especially the electronic board, that's the easiest part. I think I will, when I will get a data recovery from a hard drive, I will do a video. How many devices usually repair every day, on average, I mean? Right now, yeah, I'm not working anymore on the old shop. At home, around 2, 3 devices per day. It's still getting, slow with the online business, but I'm getting the jobs from the shops where I work for. Yeah, so I'm getting the jobs from there, and it's still good. Good morning from Norway. Norway. Good morning. John Doe scrapping boards for gold. I know my friend Jason did something like that. I will ask him. And he is crazy with gold. Yeah, he is crazy with gold. Always buying gold. I even seen like big chunk of golds. I will ask him. I will ask him. Why did he quit from the shop? It's just a moment in life where you have to do a change. Dark Lion. Uh, Not sure. Not sure about phones. I'll see if I have a lot of phones. I will try to, get some. Try to do a video about that. Good morning from Brazil. Good morning. I'm buying faulty laptops and televisions. Picking a faulty TV. It's a good business. I mean, it's good business even if you buy TVs with good screens. I mean, you see them are not cracked. It's a good business. Or if you buy them with crack screens, and you will find a lot with crack screens, and you take the boards out and sell the boards on eBay. Good morning, Sebastian from Poland. You got your own repair shop? Tech? No, at the moment I'm doing the online business, fixing here, home, working from home. So, everyone has a coffee, or it's too late for a coffee? What kind of microscope do you recommend? I think the Amscope one, it's decent from the money for how much it costs. The Amscope. I have a video with the Amscope, unboxing the Amscope microscope. Never too late for a coffee. Yes, that's so true. Red Bull. Hmm. Surma and electronics. I never seen you use polyamide on your videos. What is polyamide, Edgar? Drinking juice. Juice is good, yeah. Malaysia. Good morning, Lang. Or good afternoon, good evening, actually. Cup of tea. Coffee and vape. The yellowish plastic. Oh wait, that has different name. One second, I don't remember. What's the name of that yellow thingy? I do have. I think I have. I'm not using. Depends of the job, you know. If you have to work close to a connector, then you have to cover that connector with Kapton tape. Yeah, that's that Kapton tape. Yeah, that's the one. I do have somewhere. Oh yeah, look, this one. This one. Yeah, I use it. Yeah, you see, I'm using this, but sometimes. Bluetooth speaker with no sound. What's the common fault? If the speaker is coming on, you can have like a dead audio amplifier or the dead Bluetooth thingy. Did you ever go into TV repairs boards and leads? I do have some. I have actually a playlist fixing TVs. I did fix a lot. Do you know ERSA Icon 1 soldering station? No. Tim, no. I never heard. Is some new brand or? Amir, yes. Some people I seen on YouTube. Some people use a coin to cover an area, probably because it's easy. But a coin need to not isolate the heat. Yeah, so you have to keep in mind. I mean, if you are doing a quick thing, yeah, just use a coin. But if you spend time, a coil need to not isolate the other part from the heat. Hello. Okay, guys. So everyone finished the coffee. Everyone finished the coffee. You guys seen the last video with that phone data recovery job? That was an insane long job. Insane fault. What do you think about Nikolai Tesla? It's okay. I seen the history of Nikolai Tesla and Edison. I think I read a book. I seen some repair on YouTube doing replacing processor. Joram, depends. How can I say that? There are a lot of fake videos doing like CPU replacement and things like that. So you have to watch actually the people, the right people. Lang Buana. Yeah, I wish to have some coffee. Hello from Germany. Good morning. Best data recovery software. Data recovery software for? What do you mean software? For like phones or? Not sure what you mean. There is no software to bypass a problem like the phone is disabled or a password or things like that. Huh. Yeah, I know what you mean. Yeah, the desk was looking like a war zone. I know, but was a very hard job. And I seen people didn't understand exactly what's going on a data recovery job. Well, a data recovery job, you don't you cannot afford to play. Like, okay, let me play with a wire which is going to the CPU. No, you can't do something like that. That's why after I got the data, yeah, I don't care. I can even try to rebuild up the CPU. I don't care after I got the data, but not before. Yeah. I mean, you see me like working like a dodgy guy on anything because there is no problem. If something goes wrong, I always can fix it. What can go wrong and I cannot fix? I buy another motherboard and I fix it. But on a data recovery job, that job it's unique. So the customer data it's unique, and you cannot afford to, you know, get decision if you are not 100% sure what you are doing. You cannot get the data back if you screw it. Lang, now I'm opening a computer shop thanks to your video. Even if you didn't see my video, you can still open the computer shop. You can do a lot. So actually, the board repairs is not the most of the part of a computer repair shop. The most jobs are like hard drive, Windows reinstallation, screen replacement, keyboard replacement, battery replacement. Those, hinge repair. Those are the most of the jobs on a computer shop. Silvio, I did had a look. It's like 10K that PC 3000. I cannot even access the website. So if I try to access the website, my malware software, security software is saying it's a virus there, and I cannot access the website. But I seen the price; it's around like 10K. Insane. Probably is good, but for 10K, pay 10K for a recovery software, that means you should have a recovery software business. You should have a lot of recovery jobs every day doing only data recovery. I'm curious how many people they will pay that money for that software. Rob from Serbia. Hello or good morning. Madbox, just to replace the heads, you don't need that software. You just replace them. Trying a QSO. I should. I will come back on some point on the ham radio, but at the moment, it's not the perfect moment. But I will come back on the ham radio. I have a job here. I have a Dell XPS, yeah. So I ordered the screen yesterday. You have no idea how much is the screen. I pay like £220 for the screen itself. Insane. A full HD screen, yeah, not some 4K things, yeah. A full HD, £220. And that's because that screen has a small connector, for power and 30 pin connector for data. Usual specs of SMD components likely on the most laptops to buy beside getting. It doesn't work. If you just grab few motherboards for spares and that's all. I mean, you'll not find burn resistors, yeah? If you find like a shorted capacitor, just replace it with another capacitor. The value of the capacitor is not very important. If it's looking the same, yeah, it's fine, basically. If it's from a power rail, you replace another capacitor from another power rail. If you want. If not, you don't replace it at all and it will still work fine. It is normal for a laptop to take 20 milliamps when it's off without the battery. Yes, you have the 3 volts power supply, 3.3 volts power supply, which is always on. 20 milliamps, it's a little bit higher. I mean, I would say 10, 15 milliamps looks more normal, but even 20, it's not a problem. I'm taking apart 55-inch TV now for spare parts. Yeah, I know the shop where I was used to work. They are buying broken TVs and they are selling the boards on eBay. You can make good money from the TV boards. Do you build custom computers for your friends? No. You rarely work with a ESR meter or an oscilloscope. Why? Because I don't have them? I am planning to buy an oscilloscope just, to do like educational videos, But even before when I had the oscilloscope, I didn't work too much with the oscilloscope. ESR meter, I can't see the point. If you think it's a capacitor, just replacing with another capacitor. Silviu, da, alea sunt chiar bune. Dell Precision, sunt construite, zici că sunt tancuri. Da, știu. Am avut modele mai vechi din Dell Precision. Do you buy a second-hand laptop or PC and repair them? Yes, I did bought like a few weeks ago a laptop, a gaming laptop. You remember I made video. I bought it faulty, and yeah, I fixed it. Buy one with component tester. I have it and it's great. I'm not saying it's not great. I'm saying when you'll use it. Um, Depends of the job. Depends what you are fixing. Yeah, a ESR meter. I think it's more simple just to swap the capacitor with a new one. I mean, just things in that way because you'll see this kind of issues, and you'll see it's not like that. So you have the ESR meter and you check a capacitor. Yeah, okay, you check and it's good. And actually, that capacitor is on some voltage. Let's say 20 volts, 50 volts. I don't know. That capacitor is getting shorted, and that's something what we cannot see with a ESR meter. So I prefer just to swap the capacitor. Ricardo, do you think the number of electronics amateurs will increase or decrease? Probably it will decrease because electronic repairs is not really a popular job, and it's not really a school for this. Yeah, you can learn electronics from school, but repairs is something else. Repairs it's electronics with experience. No, even if I don't even know how many people it will choose electronics anymore, because from what I heard, the designers are paid like low pay for designers. I mean that's insane. It's electronics. Okay, guys, I think we have to stop. I finished my coffee. Tomorrow is Monday. It's another day. Rashid, yes, I did learn electronic by myself. You know what is funny? You know what? Let me see if I have that email. Let me see if I have that email. I don't know if I can show you an email on stream. Oh yeah, I have the email, but I cannot show you. I don't think it's fair to show you the email. I have a guy which he goes to uni to learn electronics, and he asked me for if I can help him with some money for the uni. And I was about to reply him, you don't have to go to uni to learn electronics. That's insane. That's crazy. If you think that it will teach you something else, you can find everything on Google, YouTube, and actually you can learn yourself. Yeah, just studying, just working. It's very easy to learn. All what you need is to have that will to learn. Silviu, nu știu, eu n-am făcut nicio școală, așa că nu pot să spun. Am făcut chimie, nu electronică. Sorry, in any tutorials on designing Wi-Fi antenna or radio antenna, how they emit radio waves? I'm not sure I understand what you mean. Designing, what do you mean? You get a piece of wire and you make that wire resonate on the frequency you want, and that's all. Not really Walter White, but I am a fan of Breaking Bad. Yeah. Olaf, you see, he burned a lot of electronics. Yeah, that's how you learn. That's how you learn. You burn once, you burn second, and at some point you learn. You can't do that because the component will get burned. Gerams, I will say no. Yeah, I will say no. I will say a big no to these courses. Yeah, I will say a big no. If someone want to share something for money, yeah, I want to share for money my knowledge. YouTube, you know what I mean? You share on YouTube, you get paid by YouTube, and you share the knowledge. Simple. If the people it will find interesting your content, you get views, you get money, and so on. Sharing is caring, yeah. Leave Elani. Hi, dear. Very nice to see you again regarding the iPhone SE. Okay, guys. Okay, I believe we've been like here like 1 hour. We had our coffee. I'm also old school technician like you. I love analog electronics and dodgy stuff. You know what, Edward? You know what is funny? It's funny because I seen some articles, and the people what they have a digital world. You have on digital, you have 0 and 1, yeah, and now they are thinking actually the technology should go into the analog because on analog you have a multitude of states, yeah. So I believe that the future is actually the analog, but well, we'll see. Okay, okay, guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for having a coffee. I'm really sorry I wasn't able to have a coffee yesterday, but we have it today. I will say have a beautiful Sunday. Try to spend it with your family. And see you on the next one, yeah? Bye.